and girls, today we are going to be talking about bees. Does anybody know what B starts with? What letter is this? That's right, it's the letter B. And it says busy, buzzy, bees. Because we all know the sound that bees make. Let me hear you make it. Buzz. And buzz begins with B. And so does B. Let's be bees and buzz around. Buzz fast, buzz slow, then sit back down. So let me see you buzz really fast. Buzz, and slow down. Buzz, and then sit down. Excellent. Okay. Let's see. The buzz on honeybees. Let's look at our purple box here with the number 1. Why do they land on flowers? Often when we see flowers, we see bees nearby. Honeybees get food from flowers. They need flowers to live. So they're eating off of the flower. Let's look at our green square with the number 2. How do they buzz? Bees buzz when they fly. It is the sound of their wings going really fast. Look at this. Look inside the tree. Look in our orange square with the number 3. Where do they live? Honeybees make a home called a hive. The hive is inside a tree. And look at that. Okay. Number 4. Get the yellow square. Do honeybees make honey? Yes, they make it from nectar, the sweet juice in the flowers. So the nectar that they drink from the flowers becomes part of the process of them making honeys. And this is called a honeycomb. If you ever ate honeycomb cereal, it looks just like that. That's the shape it's in. And let's look at the next box. That's red with the number 5. Do honeybees sting? Most of the time, honeybees sting, only if you bother them. So don't go chasing after bees. See, if this bear touches the hive, then they're going to try and sting him. Now let's look at what this lady's doing. She has a mask over her face and a hat and a special suit on. And she is called a beekeeper. And a beekeeper is a person who keeps bees. Beekeepers take some of the honey that the bees make. That is how we get our honey to eat. Okay, and she wears this special outfit to protect herself. Now I have here a picture of a beehive up in a tree. And if you look very closely, you can see the honeycombs inside that bee's nest. Okay. Now, we've been talking about insects, and bees are an insect. Now, what makes them an insect? Well, let's take out your sheet like this that says insects have how many legs? Who remembers from what we learned the other day how many legs an insect has? All insects have 6 legs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Insects also have 2 antennae. They have 3 body parts: his head, his thorax, and his abdomen. And honeybees also have 2 wings. Remember, not all insects have wings. But turn your paper over and trace the best you can. Follow the dotted lines and make the number 1, the number 2, the number 3, the number 4. This is hard to do, but the more we practice, the better we get. the number 5, and last, the number 6. Okay. Now, if we look on the bottom of the page, there's honeybees. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to give each honeybee his legs. So we're going to give this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Good job. Let's move over to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 bees.